Ready, go. What were you going to say? What do you want to tell Dasi?
Tell Dasi?
What do you want to tell her? Look at me. What do you want to tell Das? Say, I miss you, Dasi. Nachman. What do you want to tell Dasi?
It's so Dasi.
You want to throw it to Dasi? She's not here. Where'd she go?
I'm going to Bubby's house.
Yeah, she went in an airplane to Bubby's house.
Oh.
Who's going to come over and play with you tonight? No, Miriam's coming. Okay, say bye-bye, Dasi.
Bye-bye, Dasi.
Say I miss you.
Miss you.
Love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Give a kiss. Bye-bye.